riding with me, say it now. Cause I don't wanna hear no sneak dissing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So you guys, this video is a collab with my boo, Tasha. Go ahead and check out her video as well, because we started this journey together. Also want to add, I had put in a poll for you guys, and this is one of the videos that y'all wanted to see. So follow me on Instagram. I did it on Instagram. I always ask you guys opinions sometimes on my Instagram. So yeah, follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to check out Tasha's video. So if you just want to know how this thing been going with me, go ahead and continue on. So guys, I was gonna say I've been doing great on the keto, but as of now, I mean for 2 months I did great. Now I kind of been slacking, but I got more control. So, and I also want to show you guys like some of the stuff I have been eating. If you are a person that loves sweets and your mind is not set to let it go, keto might not be for you. And for those who don't know what keto is, here we go. You cannot have any sweets, no carbs. That means no bread, sodas, no stuff like that. If you love rice and your mind ain't set up for it, it's not gonna work for you. It's gonna just be a waste of time. But I still have my cheat days, so yeah, I still have my cocktails and all that. When I was doing straight keto. I'm kind of still doing it. I also want to add, I do fast as well, and I also eat 1 meal a day if I know I'm eating bad. But the girl been kind of like slacking. And also give a shout out to Ketolicious. She also helped me out with a lot of stuff I didn't understand and what I shouldn't eat and what I can, all that stuff. But you guys, I love the keto. I did lose the weight, as you can see in the pictures, because yeah, your girl, yeah. And it was mainly, you guys, it's my midsection. I am still trying to work on that. But because I had a C-section, y'all, so it is kind of hard for us women. So y'all know that little soft part, y'all know. But anyway, so yeah. And I'm gonna also show you guys pictures of different things that I ate. You in a good space. I don't feel as bloated when I did keto. And I still got to enjoy my meat because I love my wings. I love all that good stuff. So I love my, you know, ribs and stuff, even though I shouldn't, because I shouldn't. I want to get rid of the pork too eventually, but I don't eat as much pork. So yeah, so you guys, I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and I'm still gonna, like, you know, I told y'all I'm gonna show y'all all the stuff that I ate. This is my first meal of the day. I got the Power Bowl from Taco Bell. So you can pretty much still eat out, but you gotta watch your carbs and stuff. That's how I've been doing it. And I always get me like this 38 ounce. I also forgot to mention, don't get any beans or rice because they are carbs. And yeah, see, I didn't eat any. I may have to get another one of these for dinner, but it was really good. Tasha's video. We started this, like I said, we started this journey together, and we've been trying to get this video up for you guys for a minute, because you guys know I'm still in the process. I made this transformation about almost 3 months ago. I moved back to my state, and you guys, finally we found the place, and yeah, and more videos will be coming, so stay tuned, and thanks so much for watching. I'll look you guys in the next one. Bye.